Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark on Alight Motion. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Alight Motion application on your device. And once you open up any of your old projects or create a new one by tapping on the plus icon at the bottom. Once you open any desired project or create a new one, you can add your desired video by tapping on the plus icon at the bottom right corner and then choosing from your gallery. Now within your video, once you have made all of your desired edits, by default, the Alight Motion watermark will appear at the top. You can click on the drop-down menu and then choose the location from top or bottom. If you choose the bottom option, the watermark will appear at the bottom. You can remove this by tapping on the remove button, but you will be required to see an ad or purchase the pro version. If you wish to upload your own watermark, then you can simply tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner and then upload any image that you want to use as a watermark by tapping on the media option. If you don't have a logo that you can upload, you can also tap on the text option to create your own text watermark. Once you have uploaded your watermark and set its desired position as well as its scale, you can proceed with exporting your video by tapping on the export icon at the top right corner, and your video along with your watermark will be exported to your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a watermark on your videos on Alight Motion. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.